See, this is archive file. How we can archive? Like archive means in computing, an archive file is a computer file that is composed of one or more files and metadata. Archive file are used to collect multiple data files together into single file for easier portability and storage, or simply to compress file to use less storage space. So in our Windows and other things, we can also archive them. So how we can do this in our Linux? So for that, let me just clear it, and let's see this ls command. See, there's something. Let me just create another folder right here. Okay, like make directory, then I give the name like testing. Okay, the testing folder is directory ls. Okay, so now I want to archive this, like this demo.txt and the testing folder into one single folder. So to do that, what I can do, I have to use the tar command, and tar is the utility for working with the tarable, meaning the archivable files. So after the tar command, then we have to give the c, then f. C means create. It actually create a new file. Then the f means the file name, like which file name we are currently giving. So at first we have to give the file name. So let me give the file name like archive. Then we have to give this extension like tar, sorry, the dot tar. Okay, so after that the tar, then I have to specify which file or the folder that I want to archive. So right now I want to archive the demo.txt. So demo.txt, then the testing, this one folder and one file that I want to archive. So if I hit enter now, so how I can see, if it is ls, I can see there's another folder that archive. It actually archive these two folder, or the file and a folder in here. So now how I can see it actually archived or not? So to see that, there's another command like tar, then tf. Actually the t means the list of the files in the archive, and the f means the file name. So after that I have to give the file name archive.tar. If I hit enter, I can see all the file and the folder that it actually archived. See, it actually the demo.txt and the testing folder. So now I want to like suppose unarchive them. So if I unarchive them here, it won't show any changes because these two folder actually exist in here. So if I move this folder in my Asia folder, let me do that. Move, then the archive.tar, the which, sorry, the spelling mistake, like which folder or the source folder, then the path. The path is the Asia. So Asia. Enter. If it's ls now, see the archive file is not here. Let me go to the Asia folder, use ls now. See the archive.tar is in here. So now I want to unarchive it. So to unarchive it, I have to use the tar. So if you working with the archive folder, you have to use the star command. Okay, otherwise you won't be able to access it. After that, just xf, then the file name, which is the archive.tar. If I hit enter and use ls now, I can see the both folder and the file is in here, like the demo.txt and the testing also, both of them are in here. So by using this command like the tar cf, we can archive multiple folder and file into one file. Then we can also see the content of the file, the archive folder, by using this tar, then hyphen tf. And we can also unarchive them in another folder or wherever we prefer.